Please consider becoming a patron of The Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with The Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. This is from California, home of Vite Ramen. You've probably seen me do some of the reviews of their products. They make a product that's really healthy, and it's ramen. Well, this is a new variety that they've got a Kickstarter going on for right now. So, yeah, let's have a look. So you might be going, wait a second, what? Well, this is a prototype. So what do we have here? It's got Flyby Jing Sichuan chili crisp with it. A Ziploc of... So yeah, they next day aired this UPS. I'm really interested in trying prototype kind of stuff, so I'm going to give it a try today. Obviously, it doesn't have the packaging and all that stuff yet, so it'll be a little different, but this is going to be fun. Thank you very much to Tim and Tom over at Vite Kitchens for shooting this over, and hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.